In this video, we'll discuss the recommended additive dosage for concrete pouring. For concrete pouring, we recommended the following dosage guidelines: HPMC for 0.2%, PCE for 0.2%, and PP fiber for 0.1%. Please note that these are general recommendations and should be used as references. Adjustments to specific formulation are necessary based on individual requirements, as different applications and market conditions may vary. WOTAIchem's professional team is available to provide further consultation on tailored formulations. Feel free to reach out to us through our contact information in the description.